Assalamualaikum my dear students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is multiplication table for 5. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to develop multiplication table of 5 till the multiplication of 10 into 10. As you already know that multiplication is repeated addition, means that we are going to add the same number again and again. For example, if we are developing multiplication table of number 5, then we are going to add the number 5 again and again in our respective answer. Well, my dear students, I just want to tell you that timetable and skip counting is same. You can check on your screen, there is number line given. You know, on this number line, when we skip count in 5s, we get 5 timetable. How we get 5 timetable? That is, after you can check, there is the number line is starting from the number 1 till I have shown you the number 40. So you can check on your screen, 5 is here. Okay, so first jump is up to the number 5, means that I am going to add the number 5, or I can skip the number. How many numbers skip? 4 numbers I have to skip. So check on your screen, 5 is over there. I have shown you through a box. Okay, now by adding the number 5, or in other words, I can say that by skip counting in 5, you can check 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 number, done. Now the next number will be 10. Okay, so now this is 10. You can check. The first 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now what next? What about the third jump? The third jump is, you can check, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So my third jump will be on the number 15. By adding the number 5 or by skipping the number, how many numbers? The 4 numbers. I am going to get the number 15. That is 5 3s are 15. Now what next? Next is my fourth jump. What about my fourth jump? Now you can say in other words, by adding the number 5 or by skipping the number 4. How many numbers? 4? You can check 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I will jump on the number 20. Okay, this is, I can say that 5 4s are what? Very good, 20. Now what about 5 5s are? What about my fifth jump? My fifth jump will be on the number, yes, the number 25. My sixth jump will be on the number 30. And my seventh jump will be, on the number 35. And my eighth jump will be on the number 40. In the same way, you are going to keep jumping till how many jumps you are going to get? 10 jumps we needed. Because we are going to develop multiplication table till the number, what? 10. Very good. So, we are going to have the next number. For example, the next number we can show you over here as well. 40 plus 5 more. Or you can say that after skipping 4 numbers, we are going to get the next number. That is 5 9s are 45. Then 5 10s are, very good, 50. So this way we are going to develop 5 timetable through a number line by skip counting. Okay, I hope this concept is getting clearer to you guys. Now I am going to tell you how we are going to develop or how we are going to get actually the multiplication table of the number 5. You can check on your screen, there is group of 5. यानी हमें कितने डॉट्स गिवन है? 5 डॉट्स गिवन है. कितने ग्रुप में? 1 ग्रुप में. You can check on your screen, 1 group of 5, or you can say that 1 times 5, or 5 multiplied by 1, or 1 multiplied by 5 is equals to 5. Okay, now the next is 2 groups of 5, or we can say that 2 times 5. Means that multiplication symbol will come. You know, times and group of means that multiplication symbol. Okay, so we are going to write it like this. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. Or I can say that 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. Now, 3 groups of 5, or I can say in other word, I am going to add the number 5. How many times? 3 times. Okay, means that 3 groups of what? 5. And 3 times 5, I can say that 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. Now 4 groups of 5 means 5 is adding how many times? 4 times. Very good. So 4 is going to be the number of groups. And 5 is the number which is repeating again and again because we are developing 5 timetable. So we are going to write it down. 5 multiplied by what? 4, or I can write it 4 multiplied by 5 is equals to 20. Now what next? Next is I have 5 groups of 5 because this is just like counting in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to develop the multiplication table till 10. So we are going to have the groups, total 10 groups of the number 5. Okay. So this is, you can check on your screen. This picture is showing you that this is 5 groups of 5 means 5 is adding 5 times. So 5 multiplied by 5 is equals to 25. Okay. Now 6 groups of 5 means that 6 times 5, or I can write it like this, 6 multiplied by 5 is equals to, yes, what? After 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have written 30 over here. Okay. So now 7 groups of 5, or you can say that 7 times 5, 7 multiplied by 5 is equals to 35. 8 group of 5, or you can say that 8 times 5 is equals to 40. 9 groups of 5, or you can say that 9 times 5 is equals to 45. Now you can check 10 groups of 5, or you can say that 10 multiplied by 5 or 10 times 5 is equals to 50. Now I am going to tell you that how we are going to read it. We read it as 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. In the same way, we keep on reading the table. As I told you earlier that 5 ones are 5. This is what the basic table is. And if we are going to write 1 times 5, so means the same thing. 5 ones are 5 and 1 fives are also 5. Means that 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 5. This is what the pair tables of 5 is. Basically, if 5 is over here or repeating again and again on your left hand side, and if 5 is repeating again and again on your right hand side, and the counting numbers will be over here in the same way, counting from 1 till 10. Okay, on the next side. This is the same. The answer will be same. Okay, how? You can check. 5 twos are 10 and 2 fives are also 10. 5 threes are 15 and 3 fives are also 15. 5 fours are 20 and 4 fives are also 20. 5 fives are 25. So changing position of the number will not vary because the number is the same. 5 6 are 30 and 6 fives are also 30. 5 sevens are 35 and 7 fives are also 35. 5 eights are 40 and 8 fives are 40. 5 nines are 45 and 9 fives are also 45. 5 tens are 50 as well as 10 fives are 50. Hope you are going to keep remember this thing and hope you are going to remember 5 timetable because this is very easy. Hope the concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then you need to take care of yourself as well as your families. Allah